Good evening, viewers in the house. Is your girl, and I'm back again. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please like and share also. The last time in my video, we talk about how to save a baby when choking, an adult and toddler. Today we'll be talking about CPR. Now, what is CPR? Okay, today I jot out some things, some language to use. Like, I always mix Italian with English together, but today I just jot out some things so that I can be able to talk to you guys in a plain language that you all will understand. Okay, what is CPR? CPR is Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation and defibrillation. Defibrillation is just a machine which they also use, an advanced machine which they use to revive someone when he's unconscious. But CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So in Italy we call it cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay, so that is it. That is CPR. CPR is when someone is unconscious, when someone have cardiac arrest. That is when they perform CPR to revive that person. Is a form of compression and breathing in oxygen into that person. Okay, so when you see a person that is unconscious, maybe you are going on the road now, you just see someone that fell down and is unconscious, and you want to try to save that person before calling for help, like before the help arrives, because nowadays before help will arrive, because there are a lot of people now getting sick, so before help will arrive to that person, it might be too late. So you just want to make sure that person is in a good state before any help arrive. So you always perform the CPR, because when the person is unconscious, you have to keep that person going before an ambulance came to that person. Okay, now what are the steps for you to take to perform CPR? The first step for you to take is to remain calm. You have to be calm as possible. You have to be calm. Okay, and when something happens, there are a lot of gathering out there. You see a lot of people surrounding that person. You have to make that place a safety place first. You have to clear that place, like make sure people that surround that person is not too near to that person, because when they are close, you won't be able to perform what you want to do. Okay, so first of all, you have to remain calm. Secondly, you have to keep people far away from that person. Okay, I'll be describing this with this baby, this doll. Okay, I don't have the manicure, that is that doll, big doll, but I'll be using this for now. So whatever you don't understand, just please comment below that I don't understand. Please, can you make another video for you to talk about this, and I will gladly make another video to explain further. Okay, so the step you need to take is, first, be calm. Second, you have to create space to do whatever you want to do. And thirdly, when you see someone out here, okay, I'm going to use this now, those door. I was going and I saw this person lying down. I don't know if you can see the door. Okay, let me go far below. Okay, I see this person like lying down, and I was like, what's happening? Okay, I call on the person. The step, you have to call on the person, like, hello sir, hello man, can you hear me? Can you hear me? You shake from side like this. You shake. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If the person is unconscious, okay, now you have to signal for help, like, call an ambulance, please. Okay, before the ambulance arrive, you ask someone to call an ambulance. Call the number, any number. Okay, in Italy, you will call, before it was 118, now it's 112. So you call the number for help. Okay, while calling for help, before the help arrives, you have to do this simple maneuver. Now you go to the person. I'm going to shift it a little bit here so that you see me, like, I'm going to stay here. Then you have to take the person. If you can see, you have to take, like, you have to check if the person have anything in his or her mouth that is making the person unconscious. First of all, you have to check for that. For checking of that, like, You have to take your finger here and bend the head downward, like for you to see if the person is breathing also, and does the person have something that is blocking his or her airways. Okay, once you see that the person is free airways and is not breathing in COVID period, because now they changed the law now, because now that there is COVID, you don't do mouth to mouth, because you don't even know what that person will be having. You might be having deadly disease that you can contact through mouth. So now, first of all, you have to look for, even if it's fascinator, this fascinator, then you take it, then you put it on the person's mouth, like put it on the person's mouth like this. It should be light. The facilitator should be light for you to be able to breathe in, like should be in his mouth. Yeah, I bend it because he's a dog, but if he's human being, you can put it in his mouth so that it will be light for you to breathe in your oxygen. Now you have to check if the person is breathing. You just have to open the person close, open it close, then you check for like 10 seconds if the heart is palpating, you know, if it's breathing. You know, when someone is breathing, the heart will be moving up, down, up and down. So you just have to check. Okay, once you check that the person, you have confirmed that the person is unconscious, then you start your CPR instantly. You start your CPR, you leave the facilitator, you leave it, then you start your CPR. Okay, I'll put it those ways so that you can see how I can be able to do the compress. Okay, those ways like this. Then you have to use this palm. Okay, you have to use this palm. This palm here. This is the palm. You use this palm, place it like this. I don't know if you can see it very well. Then you take the other hand, you do it like this. Then you start compressing. Okay, you have to use, your knee should be like this. Like this. Your knee should be like this, okay? One. Should be like this. One. Like this. You see? You count up to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then you do two breathing. Then you go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30. So that's it. You do 30 compression, 2 breathing until air comes to that person. You have to keep on doing it on rotation, okay? So you have to keep on doing that until help comes to that person, until the ambulance arrives. So you keep on compression and you keep on breathing, compression, breathing. So you keep on doing that. So that's CPR. So whatever you don't understand in this video, just please comment below and I'll be able to respond to you and I'll start the video all over again. Okay, CPR is very good. That compression is reviving the heart, while the breathing in oxygen is for you to send oxygen to the brain, because if you are doing compression without the oxygen, the brain will be dead, but the heart will revive, but the brain will be dead. So if you are able to perform the CPR, you can be able to do this simple maneuver. You can be able to help your family members, your daughter, your son, anybody, even if it's not even your family member, you can be able to help them with a simple maneuver. So it's just for you to get it right, how you can be able to place your body, start the compression, and be able to do the breathing in oxygen. So when air came, like we ambulance, we use that machine, that defibrillation, okay, defibrillation, we use it we call it defibrillatory here, so we use that. So when that machine came, they will be able to put the plaster here and here for them to be able to revive the person. Okay, that is advanced machine which layman don't have. So please, that is it for today. In our next video, we'll talk about more on educational tip. So please just go ahead to watch any of my video, and please leave a comment below if you don't understand. Support your girl by liking and subscribing. Thank you very much. Bye.